Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's class. Ẹ káàbọ̀ in Yoruba we say ẹ ǹlẹ́ o. My name remain Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ade. In today's class we're going to learn objects and things around the class within the classroom. School, ilé-ìwé. Class, yàrá ìkàwé, or we can say kíláàsì. Teacher, olùkọ́. Student, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Table, tábìlì. Chair, àga. Marker or chalk, ẹfun. Book, ìwé. Picture on the wall, àwòrán. Wall clock, aago. Board, pátákó ìkọ̀wé. Playground, pápá ìṣeré. Pencil, pẹ́ńsùlù, or we say pencil. Pencil case, àpò pencil. Bag, báàgì. Paper, bébà. Notebook, ìwé. Jotter, ìwé àjákọ. Shoe, bàtà. Uniform, aṣọ ilé-ìwé. Ilẹ̀kùn, door. Window, fèrèsé. Cup, ife, or we say kọ́ọ̀pù. TV, television. Light, iná. University, university. Píìnì, pin. Pẹ́ẹ̀nì, pen. Kọ́ńpáàsì, compass. Olùkọ́ àgbà. Iṣẹ́ ìṣirò. Iṣẹ́ sociology. Iṣẹ́ áàtì. Iṣẹ́ kẹ́mísírì. Iṣẹ́ físíìsì. Iṣẹ́ sáyẹ́ǹsì. Iṣẹ́ lítírésọ̀. Iṣẹ́ psychology. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. And now let us make some sentences like mo ní ìwé méjì. I have 2 books. Mo fẹ́ lọ tọ̀. I want to go to the restroom, or I want to go and urinate. Mo fẹ́ jẹun. I want to eat. Olùkọ́ ẹ jọ̀wọ́. Please teacher. Mọ́mì mi ń bọ̀. My mom is coming. Olùkọ́ tí ń bọ̀. Olùkọ́ is coming. Ti ilẹ̀kùn. Close the door. Ṣí ilẹ̀kùn. Open the door. Jókòó. Sit down. Wá síbí. Come here. Máa lọ. Be going. Mi ò fẹ́. I don't want. Mo fẹ́. I want. Olùkọ́, mo ti ṣetán. Teacher, I am done. Olùkọ́, mi ò tíì ṣetán. I am not done, teacher. Where are you going? Ibo lò ń lọ? I'm not going far. Mi ò lọ jìnnà. Ẹ má bínú. Don't be angry. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. I'm sorry. Ó dáa. Okay. Mo ti gbọ́. I've heard you. Pencil mi rèé. This is my pencil. Àpò ìwé mi rèé. This is my bag. Aṣọ mi rèé. This is my clothes. Bàtà mi nìyẹn. That is my shoe. Olùkọ́ mi nìyẹn. That is my teacher. Ọmọ dáadáa. Good child. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín. Clap for yourself. So these are just some little things little sentences we can talk about in today's video. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. Love you all. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín gan-an ni. Ẹ ṣeun. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.